We don't need fireworks.
No, no. Well,
No.
we prefer that than fireworks. It's really better than
That's
pretty cool,
You just have drones with projectors and a cloudy
How
sky,
much
and
do you
you
reckon they
project
paid them?
movies into the sky.
How much do you reckon they paid them to do this shit?
Probably quite a fair bit, like.
Because it's just a program, isn't it?
Yeah.
The drones are all like corresponding to a program.
Oh, look, check the butterfly.
I bet you still cost almost as much as
It's the butterfly.
Really? The butterfly, what's it flying into?
And that is at the beginning.
Yeah.
Of this shit. It's gonna be down a huge thing.
Soon it's going to be like, look at the sky to know what you need to do.
Two butterflies. 3.
It's going to be like scarily weird now, isn't it, for butterflies? It's like, what
The orange one's attacking the blue one.
It's a cocoon and become fucking dragons.
I don't know. That one at the
It's
top.
attacking the blue one. Like.
Yeah.
It's a butterfly fight. It's dissolved, it's smashed. Oh no.
Do you know what I mean? That is the on the radio the video, didn't they not say that they wanted some bin bags sort of because of the fireworks? I think there's
No,
going to be.
maybe for the closure.
No, I think there's going to be. some
Oh, look, is that
fireworks.
going to be right?
I think it's going to be some fireworks.
The last year was fireworks holiday.
Oh, is that?
This year maybe it's this today and tomorrow the last one.
Maybe it just means the amount of people there.
No,
Yeah.
that's like Space Invaders. Why don't
Yeah.
they do Space Invaders? That would be cool.
Pac-Man.
Yeah.
Batman.
I wonder what it looks like from underneath.